In this session, we'll have a look at more compact scenarios. Maybe you're working with your vocals and a guitar, or a laptop and keyboard setup. Or you're that one singer in the band that finally wants to have free movement while hearing yourself perfectly. Short note, although all these setups have less inputs and signals, you still might want to plan for a small mixing and splitter rack as introduced in session 2. The reason is simple. You can easily split your signal for yourself and front of house. Otherwise, you cannot control your mix once you go live. Instead, you would just get what goes to PA, and this might not be what you need or what you got used to. Additionally, with this option, you can add features like a click track. Your rack will work perfectly in any rehearsal situation. Everything can go in: your guitar, your voice, your DI boxes or laptop signals, and this very same setup will work flawlessly in any live venue because the built-in splitter sends all the signals to PA so they can work with that independently. Otherwise, you would need to work with whatever mix you get from PA, and that is mostly an audience-related mix. So let's listen to the options we have. If you monitor just your voice, you'll choose mono mode. This sends one input to both channels. If there are more inputs, like a guitar, you'll choose stereo to enable both inputs. More often than not, you'll work with focus mode enabled. In this mode, both signals are combined and every receiver can balance this individually.
Knocking on my door is a shadow that will never leave.
Maybe more voice.
Even though I'm hiding, he can always find me.
Or more guitar. And of course, the same goes for different setups. Let's say a laptop and a keyboard. You can have everything from your keyboard or laptop as one signal. And your voice separately. You might even use the mixing desk to set up your perfect in-ear mix from all sources. And what if you are the one person in the band opting for in-ears? It might not be perfect, since the in-ears will muffle your ability to hear the others. And of course, the other sources bleed into your mic. But it might also help you to hear yourself and control your performance. Now, your sweet spot for good live sound is everywhere. So, let's have a quick recap on our options. You can go for mono mode and just hear yourself. With 2 inputs, you can use focus mode to get a more organic soundstage. Every receiver can decide on its own how to weigh the mix. And of course, you can create yourself a single solution in a band mix while everyone else performs with wedges. Next off in our sessions are some setups for bands with 1 or multiple transmitters. See you there.